Hi, my name's Sean Conley. I live in San Francisco, California. I skate for Circle A Skateboards and I'm co-founder of the SF Skate Club. Today I am here to explain to you how to skateboard on ramps. Now, if you're lucky enough to have access to a really good ramp, or to any ramp for that matter, it can be a lot of fun to skate on a ramp. One thing that ramps provide that street doesn't is that it doesn't take much energy to skate on a ramp. The momentum of just riding on the ramp does sort of the work for you, so it can be like sort of a less effortless feeling thing to do. It's a lot of fun. And so when you're ready to skateboard on a ramp, you found a good one and it's a size that you want to start out on, what you do is you just start in the bottom of the ramp and you slowly pump and get higher and work on pumping and keeping your speed. Now just start in the bottom of the ramp. You don't have to drop in on the ramp as soon as you find one. You can just start down in the bottom and slowly work your way up. Now, once you've mastered that, you'd be ready to start dropping in. Now, to drop in on the ramp and start out, you put the tail of your skateboard on the ramp with all four wheels inside it. You hold your back foot on the tail of the skateboard, put your front foot on, and then you push down on the front wheels, making sure that all four wheels make contact with the ramp, and then you ride in. Now from here, you'll want to learn how to do small kick turns and then slowly make your way up to the coping. So enjoy yourself and have a good time skateboarding on ramps. And this is how you skate ramps. My name is Sean Conley. I live in San Francisco, California. I skate for Circle A Skateboards, and I'm co-founder of the SF Skate Club, a skateboard program for youth. You can learn more about it at sfskateclub.com.